welcome to the House of R. Today we're gonna have a 5-car unboxing. As you can see, it's all Dodge. It's a rainy day outside, so this will be my sunshine. Let's open them and get them on the table. And let's start off with the Dodge Charger Drift Hot Wheels Metro. Beautiful green. And there you go. I like this Charger Drift cars. I have a few. Right, let's go old school. Dodge Charger RT. Never opened one of these before, so exciting. Look at that. Cool card graphics. Peel and win. Aww. Alright, let's go for the Dodge Viper RT-10 Hot Wheels Roadsters. There it is. Silver rims, beautiful yellow color, black interior and black stripes. Cool Viper. Alright. 18 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon Musclemania. Beautiful blue color. Look at that. You got to love a Dodge Demon. Love the tires on this one. Just black on beautiful blue. Alright, number 5, last one of the day. Dodge Viper SRT 10 ACR from Then and Now. So what's the last one? Look at that. Red in the rims. Hot Wheels logo and colors. Beautiful car. If I have to car a winner, I think I would like this the best today. But still, beautiful Viper. Alright, if you haven't, please subscribe. Put a thumbs up if you liked the video, and hit the notification bell if you want a warning each time I release a new video. And I'll see you later.